Is comprising of how many members? We see it's a lot from the other side up to the other side.
Yeah, we have a choir of more than 500 members. Only the singers are 500. Then when you add the instrumentalists, the band, the kids who are dancing, those are from Namugongo Junior Boys, and there are those of St. Teresa. When you total up them, they are more than 600, so it's a massive choir that we are having here.
So how have been the preparations? We have had so melodious songs.